Hey everybody, welcome in. We've got the first draft of the prototype up and running, and there's a few things that need to be changed. So we're just using the PVC tube that Sol already uses in his arms at the minute. First problem we have is the bearing. Although it slides nicely now, it does tend to get stuck once it's been locked. So we lock it down, and that gives us good locking strength. And let go, it should release. Doesn't, it stays stuck. So what we found out has been happening is the bearing, when you obviously apply a torsional stress to it, it twists and turns inside the housing as well as the toggle. And what that means is it's locking here and here. So that wasn't great. Otherwise, yeah, it's quite conceivable that would be useful to Sol. Now lock it. Other problems, this can just slide off. Oh, and another problem was the slight wiggle, so we've got some play. Remember, I created a 0.3mm offset for each of these, so in the off position it's very, very loose. So I'm wondering whether I can tighten that. So we made another version. So this addresses all of those problems. So now, slides freely, locks, slides freely again, so it doesn't get stuck anymore. And the reason, and the way that I've dealt with that is by using some modifications to basically all of the parts. So let's peel this apart then. So we've got the ring at the back, which is kind of like a circlip. And then we've got the bearing with 3 woodruff keys. So we've got a square profile in the housing itself, and also in the VarioSure bearing. So that's the bearing. We've got the little air channels inside, but no splines, remember. And then what I've done is beefed up this fillet, this chamfered edge, so that the parts can't come off. And then created these tiny little woodruff teeth. So let's have a look at they fit together. So in reverse order. So the toggle will go on first. And I made the offset a little bit smaller, but it's still room to wiggle. Next, we line up the square edge profile with the new square profile on the outer part of the distal hinge. These are matched to go inside and match the shape of the chamfer going up the bearing. It's quite satisfying putting these in, but I don't drop them everywhere. Once those are on, that means that the toggle can no longer cause a twist in the back section of the bearing. No sticking. Cool.